Hi everyone, in this video let's try to fix mic not working and audio issues in our Counter-Strike 2. So from our settings, make sure that you will test your microphone in here, and if it's not working then do the troubleshooting. But if it's working, then we want to see the problem in our Counter-Strike 2 account. So let's open and tap our CS2 app from our PC, and in there we want to go ahead and open our settings. So let's tap the settings and then go tap your audio, and in here just tap on this one, press to use mic, and just choose. You can disable or press to use mic, so just make sure that you choose the right one. Then here, default device, you can just choose any speakers available on your device, or you can just turn that into default device. Okay, so just do that repeatedly and try to just tap, click no, and then yes in here, then no again, and yes in here. Then try to refresh your device and hope this will solve the problem and you will be able to play with your audio on. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.